morning, world. Welcome to BigDawsVlogs. I'm here today with my beautiful wife, Kelly, and my child. He is sleeping right here with his sloth. It is still so weird saying that I have a kid. I'm still getting used to it. It has actually only been 10 days now. And of course, we have Chief. He's been sniffing Miles today, checking him out extra. Today, we're gonna see how Chief reacts to a car wash. I saw it on YouTube. I think Tucker Busden did it first, so I thought it was a really funny video. Chief is gonna go ahead and try it out for himself, and if he has a funny reaction, we're gonna see how all the rest of the dogs react. But first things first, we're gonna do Chief. You ready, bud? Let's do this. Look at my little guy. You waking up from a nap? You like your sloth? This is your seat. I got this camera set up. This is actually brand new, guys. I got this camera mount. It's pretty cool. We also have the GoPro right here. So we're pretty much set to go, Chief. Let's see how you react to a car wash. Good boy.
What kind of wash plate can we get today?
Oh, just the most basic one.
That'll be $5.
Okay. Here we go, guys. Chief is about to experience his first ever car wash. You ready, buddy? Uh-oh, here we go. Oh my goodness. Whoa. What is that? What is that, Chief? He's got a smile on his face. What is this? What is this, Chief? Wow, Chief, you did a pretty good job, dude. I'm actually really impressed. Good job. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so since Chief reacted so well, I say we see how all the dogs react. We're gonna go home right now, pick up Bear, and then we're just gonna go in order and see what they think. What do you say, Kelly?
Are we gonna go to the same car wash? Or?
That's actually a really valid question. The answer is yes.
Really?
Yeah, I'm being serious. We're just gonna be like, oh, want another one. Different dog.
Okay.
All right, Chief, come on out. You did such a good job. Yes, already, I know. I'm gonna get you some treats for doing that, okay? Come on, buddy. Come on. That's my boy. Let's see if your sister or maybe one of your brothers isn't soaking wet. Wow, you guys are pretty dirty, but Bear is dry. Good boy. All right, Bear, hop on up. Right there, good job. Oh, this is actually perfect. We got a different guy than the last time. They'll have no idea.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing well. You know what kind of wash you were looking at?
Oh, just the basic. Hey, you look really familiar. Do I know you from somewhere?
You know me?
Yeah.
No, but I think I know you.
How so?
Do you make videos?
Yeah, I do.
Are you?
We were just talking about it.
Oh, yeah?
Like I saw you and I was
You guys seen Big Daws TV?
I told you, bro.
You're right.
I was just messing with you because I had just been here like 2 minutes ago.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, we're just seeing how the dogs react to the car wash. So I got 4, so we're just bringing them all through.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, he came into the tunnel right now, like after you came through, and he's like, guys, you're not gonna guess who this kid who that was.
That's hilarious.
He's like, no. He's like, why not?
That's awesome.
That's crazy.
Well, yeah.
That's cool.
Thanks for watching, guys. All right, pulling forward. See ya. What is this, buddy? I think Bear's a little more intrigued already. That was a funny face. What is it, Bear? What is it? What is that? Are you scared? It's okay. It's okay, buddy. What's that? I have to pull into a parking space after each time because we have a baby in the car, and obviously we don't want to vlog and drive with the baby. But Bear, that was super cool reaction, buddy. You have fun? I'm gonna get you guys all treats after this, but right now, next up, we have Daisy Duke. All right, Daisy, we're gonna have to get a towel and wash you off. I know you're excited. Hang on. There we go. Get you all dried off. Good job. Yeah, that's my girl. She's already like, what? What on earth is this, Daisy? What is it? Oh, I can already tell she's gonna have like the funniest reaction. Daisy, what's happening? Well, Daisy, just like when we brought Miles home, you've had the best reaction out of all of the dogs so far. We're gonna go home, pick up Nike, and do one more scene. But before we do that, make sure you guys subscribe to my new channel, Life with Labradors. These guys are officially YouTubers. They have their own channel. They just hit 10,000 subscribers. So if you guys want to support their journey, click the link in the top of the description, subscribe, and let's do this, Daisy. Let's go get your brother, all right? And we are dropping Kelly off at Target. Kelly, you're really gonna leave me with the baby and the dogs.
Yep.
Probably one of the more dangerous decisions yet.
I don't know, you're dropping me off at Target.
Oh, ho, ho. That is so true. Last but not least, we have Nike boy. Daisy, kennel up. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. No. No lick. All right, let's hear your proposition. You just.
So I'm saying I'm gonna give you any wash you want. We got 5 wash packages. You can get any one for free. If I can plug my friend's album in the vlog.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. First off, which wash you want?
Oh, whatever, man. Whatever's the most intense with the most colors.
Look it up. Right. Okay.
Okay.
Album's called Human Hard Drive. It's by Cecilia Gray. That's G-R-E-Y. Anywhere you listen to music, all streaming platforms. I'm talking Spotify,
all right.
music, anywhere. All right.
All right. Friend of the year right here. All right, guys, take it easy.
All right, have a great day.
I usually would never do that, but those guys seem super cool, so why not, right, Nike? What is that, buddy? What is that, Nike? This wash is way better. All right, guys, me, Nike, and Miles are all posted up outside of Target right now waiting for Kelly. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Let's try to get 10,000 likes on this video. And like I said earlier, please subscribe to my new channel, Life with Labradors. The link is in the top of the description. These guys are officially YouTubers, so make sure you guys check that out. Nike, what are you doing, man? You crawling across the seat to hang out with me? He's getting so heavy. But I'm also gonna play a video for you guys really quick. This is absolutely ridiculous. Buddy, watch out. Anyways, what I was about to say is I'm gonna show you guys the kinds of videos that we're making on Life with Labradors. So I'm gonna go ahead and play one real quick. It's Chief playing with his little buddy Trooper, which is super cute. The videos are really simple. So if you guys like the dog videos, like I said, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Say bye, Nike. Say bye, buddy. All right, peace, guys. No. 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 No.
Come here.